Hi, I'm Laura for PokerNews, and we are down at the Rio Hotel today at the Breinfuel stand. For anyone that's a fan of Phil Hellmuth, they may already recognize the brand, but we've caught up with Colton Horn, who's co-founder, to find out more about it. Fill us in.
Laura, thank you so much for having me on. We're very excited to be here at the World Series of Poker and in partnership with PokerNews. Breinfuel really was designed for mental athletes, specifically poker players. The whole premise of Breinfuel is if you can support caffeine powerfully and effectively, you can get the most out of your brain and body throughout the entire day, rather than the spike and crash that you might be used to from caffeinated beverages. So we're very excited to be partnered with Phil Hellmuth, Jonathan Little, Jeff Gross, and so many other poker stars and coaches who have helped make Breinfuel the drink of poker early on in our young company.
Amazing. And what flavors does it come in?
Yeah, it comes in 4 wonderful flavors. Phil's favorite and our best seller is this peach mango. The one that Laura's holding is the fruit punch. We also have a citrus and we have a mixed berry.
And finally, where can they get it?
Yeah, we are in 3,000 CVS stores right now. You can also find us on Breinfuel.com. We are running a discount code called WSOP on the Breinfuel.com website for 30% off all online orders.
Oh, it's actually really good.
Yummy.
I'm very happy with it.
Yeah.
And I'm really, really picky. This is really good.
Yeah, it's like kind of like a fruit smoothie.
I'm like the most complaining person there is, and I really like this actually. What other flavors do you have?
Okay, instantly I'm hit with the aroma from the Breinfuel. My neurons are firing. I'm in the Millionaire Maker, and I need some good luck, and I think this is what I need. Oh my God, I feel inspired.
All right, hi guys, Jesse from PokerNews here, trying the peach mango Breinfuel for the first time. All right. Oh, it's not bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah. It tastes very fruity. Tastes fresh, like a smoothie.
That's all from me. I'm Laura for PokerNews. Our coverage of the WSOP is powered by Club GG.